Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You've opened Canva and picked a design. Now get your images in. Click Uploads, then Upload Media, and select files from your device or drag a folder. Make sure file types are supported and under size limits, because large hike or RAW files can slow things down. Once uploaded, create or pick a folder to keep things tidy so you can find assets quickly during editing. This saves time when you're working through multiple layouts. Drag your photo from uploads onto the canvas or into a frame. Frames automatically mask and keep proportions. Double-click inside a photo to reposition or pinch to zoom, and use corner handles to resize while holding Shift to constrain. Apply filters or adjust exposure and contrast for consistent color. Use effects to remove backgrounds if needed. Make sure to layer correctly. Right-click to bring forward or send back, and lock elements when their position is final. Once layout feels right, inspect alignment and spacing with Canva's guides and position tools, then group elements if needed. Export using File right arrow download. Pick PNG, JPG, or PDF and set quality or transparent background for overlays. Save a copy in folders or share a link for collaboration. If an upload or export fails, clear browser cache, try a smaller file or different format, and re-login. Often permissions or a stalled upload are the culprit. Then retry the same steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.